As the world moves beyond the traditional methods of learning, as it moves beyond rote learning, and even boards like CBSE and NCERT, Department of Education, they've started realizing and recognizing the fact that learning through experience is far more important than traditional methods of learning. It is what makes the child life ready. And that is what at Vega we have started doing right from the beginning, where we have a pedagogy that is firmly entrenched in experiential learning, which makes learning participative, interesting, very, very real, and makes the child ready for the real world. Welcome to Vega Schools. That the academic foundations need to be strong. We scaffold the national curriculum that we follow using problem-based learning. There is a very, very good and close relationship that our learning leaders have with our learners.
We at Vega don't call ourselves teachers. We are coaches, getting them in touch with what their inner core is.
There are academic expectations, yes, but our learning leaders also work very, very closely with our learners, because there are life skills that need to be in place. And these are special skills like empathy, collaboration, teamwork. The most important of it is the art of critiquing.
So here we were on the subject of discrimination. It can be easily taught by reading or asking the students to just memorize a paragraph or a page from the book. But at Vega, our approach is contextual. Here kids interacted with a diverse group of people and filmed it as a documentary.
Along we were learning about discrimination, we also learned that how a camera works.
We also had a panel discussion where we talked to a lot of people.
We are not asked to mug up facts. Instead, we use critical and analytical skills in situations.
We plan and set goals, we reflect and finally look at the impact. We look at the individual students and group of students and track the academic progress.
When you and I were young, we remember those one or two teachers that were unbelievable. They were inspiring, they were encouraging, and they made such a huge difference to our lives. Imagine if all the teachers were as good as each other. Imagine the difference that make to your children's lives if that was the case. And that's what we aspire to do at Vega.
The mission of the People and Culture team is to make our people happy, because we believe that happy learning leaders make happy learners. We strive to create a culture where everyone, right from the teachers to the learners, feel the warmth of the Vega family. We understand that our parents have trusted us with their most precious assets, our own learners, and hence it is very important for us to get the best talent, the best educators in this country. Our process of hiring learning leaders involves the use of sophisticated hiring tools which ensure that not only we get people with the right skills and experience, but also people with the ability to immerse into our culture so that the bigger goal of delivering world-class PBL is achieved. Every year, our learning leaders are sent for enriching study tours to innovative schools across India and abroad, with the intention of learning and imbibing the best practices and implementing the same at Vega.
Interesting classrooms lead to interesting learning. Interesting learning leads to love of learning. Love of learning leads to passion for learning. Isn't this what we want to give our children? Good relationships make our lives meaningful. Kindness, empathy, compassion, and love are the things that lead to good relationships. Each child also has individual and unique strengths, and we find that one thing that makes the child shine. Discover the star within.